G'day everyone, Scott from the Scale Modeler Supply here with a monthly update for January 2020. For our very first releases of the year 2020, we have 6 brand new British AFV World War II colours. These colours were used by the British Armed Forces during World War II and especially these two in Italy. This is their first portion of our releases. We're going to have another up to 12 colours on top of these ones, which will cover all the British colours imaginable in World War II for AFVs. So to kick us off, deep bronze green, khaki green G3, khaki green G4, light green G5, British light mud, and British dark olive. Like I said before, these are the 4 main colours that were used in a lot of European conflicts for the British Armed Forces. These ones were used a lot in the Italy campaigns. We do have for the next few months we'll be releasing more in this range, so if you're into the British World War II, any of the AFV stuff, we'll have you covered over the next few months. Just these things take a little bit of time, so over the course of next month we'll release them bit by bit until we've got the whole series. And then once we've done that, we'll probably bundle them into sets, so it's a lot easier to select the right scheme specifically for what you're building. So yes, they're the first release of the month. 6 new colours for our Premium Acrylic Lacquer range. Also for this month we have new tools. Now the first tools we have are our very popular precision tweezers. Now these come in 2 different sizes. This is the large one. Now these are reversed style, so you need to push to open them, like so. Now, this is the large size, as I said. These are good for grabbing larger parts or clamping while you're gluing, etc. But we also have the smaller fine tip ones. Now these ones, I absolutely love these ones personally, for if you're doing small scale stuff, such as the 72nd scale. So I did a recent 72nd scale Panzer Funkwagen, which was a dragon kit, and a lot of the aerials I just could not hang on to with my bare fingers, obviously, and these being reverse type, just push to open. We'll just demonstrate on these tweezers, we'll push to open, close, and then they grip on and pick up. Now these are also brilliant for water slides. Cut your water slide, put it into your water dish, let it soak, and as you get as you want to transfer it off to the backing paper onto your kit, grab the side of the backing paper with this, and because it's clamped shut, it's nice and firm. Put it down, use your knife or cotton bud or whatever just to slide your water slide off. So these are absolutely fantastic. Also this month we have probably the best tool we've had yet, the ceramic scraper. Now the ceramic scraper, you've probably seen our videos online on our Facebook page, etc. These are a ceramic blade. Now they are blunt, but they do have a beveled edge, so you cannot cut yourself with them. But what you can do is remove flash lines and mold lines and imperfections of your models using the edge of this blade. So there's a video on our channel already. It's been all over Facebook. You have to watch that if you can. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out. But basically you just run your blade across the plastic and it removes the imperfections with ease. Now if you've already got a blade, a handle or a different type of handle, we are selling the blades loose, so a pack of 3 or a single pack. Now by far these have been probably the best tool we've released to date. They've been more popular than our knives, they've been more popular than nippers, and probably the only thing that comes close to it are these fine tip tweezers. So everything is available right now on our website, www.scalemodeler.com.au, and selected stockists will have these over the next few months as they put their orders in. Some stores already have the tweezers and the ceramic scrapers. Others will get it in time as they put their orders in over January. Select stores will have the paints as well. And just before I go, I just want to give a quick shout out to two of our new stockists that have joined our range of stores that stock our products within Australia. We have the Little Train Shop in Launceston in Tasmania, and the RC Shop up in Townsville in Queensland. Both of these stores jumped on board in December, just before Christmas, so we are very, very grateful and excited to be working with these guys to bring our products to the local modelers in Queensland and Tasmania. So if you're in the area, they're your local store, please, please, please pop in and see the guys and grab some products. And remember, if there's anything from our range that these stores do not have in stock at the time, or they don't carry on a regular basis, ask them to order it in, and they'll be able to put an order in when they put their restock order in. They'll be able to order your products in for you. So check out the full list of stockists on our website. If you go on the website, click on the menu, go to the bottom, it says Find a Stockist, click on that, and it'll come up with a full list of stockists in Australia, in New Zealand, in Singapore, and the United States. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you next month with another update video.